everyone, here we want to talk about the hyperlink function in the Microsoft Excel. The hyperlink function is not just a function. Excel also has a tool for the hyperlink, and also the hyperlink has four major features that makes it really helpful and one of the most used tools in the Excel. So for example, here we can have a hyperlink. We can link this cell to another cells in this Excel workbook too, and we can do this by inserting a hyperlink. For example, right clicking on it and choosing a hyperlink, or going to the insert tab and choose a hyperlink, and then you can select the place in this document and choose your sheet, for example links to the website, and then writing the cell you want to link into it. So after you press OK button, if you press on this cell, you will link it to the next sheet into the cell C2. And also you can use the hyperlink function. For example, you need to write equal to the hyperlink, and if you select fx for seeing the arguments, you just need to define the location you want to link to it. For the sheets and the cells you want to hyperlink into it, you need to define sharp at the first of your link, and then defining the sheet name. For example, here is links to the website in the quotation. After that, you need to define the cell address. And then the friendly name is the name that you want to show to the user. For example, to desired. So, and if you press OK, you will see the user seeing the to desired cell text, and if he or she press on this cell, he or she will be redirected to the C2 cells of the sheet links to the website. Another feature of this is linking to the websites. So for example, here we have some links to our website that defines our products, and we want to make it hyperlink. The one way is selecting the links or copying the link, and then going to right click on it, use the hyperlink, and choosing existing file or web pages. And in the address, you need to paste your link, and in the text to display, you need to write your text you want to display to the user. And if you press in OK button, you will, and if you press on this, your web page will be opened in the new tab of your Google Chrome or something like that. So this is another useful, and also you can use the hyperlink function again and entering the link to the website in the first argument, which is here, and the text to display. And if you're using the hyperlink and you have multiple links, you can use this function. For example, like me, I have links in one place in one column, and the names I want to display to the user in another column. And if I drag this function into the end of the row, I can have my multiple hyperlinks to my website. So this is another way. And also another feature of this hyperlink is linking to the files in your computer, in your PC. So for example, if you read these link addresses to your PC, for example by using some software, for example using this software renaming files and folders, or using the organizing files and folders, which will read the files in the Excel and enter the files location in the Excel, and you want to hyperlink it to this location. For example, you can copy this link and going here for a text to display, right click on it, choose hyperlink, choose existing file or web pages, and the address, paste the link, and in the text to display write your text, your desired text. And if you press OK button and then select your file hyperlink and press OK button, your file will be play. It can be a music, it can be a PDF file or Word, and whatever the file is, the Excel will open all of this. And you can use also the hyperlink, it's same as the web page or other things again, and you can drag it down to have hyperlinks for all others files. So in this way you can open the files directly from the Excel. And the last one is linking to the email addresses. In the email addresses you can also copy the email directly, and then click hyperlink and choose email addresses. In the email address you can copy paste the email address, as you can see, mail to double dot immediately pasted when you paste your email address, and the subject and the things you want to send the email. So in this way you can hyperlink to the email. And if you're using the hyperlink function, you have to write the mail to double dot at the first of the email addresses, and then if you press the hyperlink, it's showing the softwares that can send the email. So this is the last one. Hyperlink will use a lot in the Excel, and you need to know the features that a tool has. So thanks for listening to this video. Until next, goodbye. In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Diaco Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website, diaco.co.uk.